Hey guys, welcome. This is Downgrid Survival and I'm Richard. The point of this opening clip is to have fun. It's necessary. Ooh, I got something shining in my face here. What is that? It's a water bottle. No, it's not. It's a cell phone plug. All right. The point of this is get out and have some fun. With everything that's going on in the world right now, people are panicked. People are fretting. People are afraid. They're trying to get prepped, for those of us that are prepping, while other people are just got their head buried in the sand, and there's plenty of them, right? But for all of you watching this channel, chances are you're prepping, and chances are you're a little concerned about the future. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm concerned about the future, concerned about what's going to happen, moving forward, but I try not to let that control me. And for a lot of folks, it has consumed them. And that's not good. That's not healthy at all. You've got to live life. You've got to get out there and enjoy life. There are plenty of things to enjoy. There's plenty of good out there. And it's not too hard to find it. Negativity tends to dominate the headlines, right? And that's what gets all of our attention, and that's where our focus is. But if you redirect your focus a little bit and find the good in people, there's plenty to celebrate. Now, for months, I've been really stepping up my game with my preps, and I've been pushing hard daily, just trying to get things in order and to acquire the things that I felt that we really needed. And even though I've been doing that, I've taken time to just try to do things that I enjoy doing. For some of us, it could be certainly spending time with family. If you have young children, spending time with your children or your grandkids. Your hobbies, don't neglect those. Remember those things that brought joy to your life, the things that you enjoyed, that just go do those again. Fishing, hunting, crafts, shopping for some of you, but not for preps. Just whatever it is that you enjoy doing, get out there and do it. Don't let the concerns of the world, the news headlines, consume you to the point where you've let all that stuff go. Because that's not living. And if you want to survive, we want to survive so that we can live. We don't want to just survive. Because if that's what it's like, then I probably don't want to survive. Certainly things are going to be different after SHTF. But they can still be good, right? You just have to look for that good. And I encourage you to do that. I'm out this morning with my best friend, Toby. Toby, there he is. I think he was showing you his butt. Hey, buddy. So Toby and I are out for a drive because Toby loves that. And he doesn't get out as often as what he should. So that's what we're doing. We're just out for a cruise. Enjoying nature. We might find a place to stop and take a nice walk. This afternoon, I might go fishing in the lake behind my house. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. Or I could make another video. Probably not. Maybe. But the point is, I'm enjoying this morning, right? I'm taking time this morning to just relax, just to breathe. Are you panicked? Let me know in the description below. What anxieties have you been feeling recently? What's been keeping you up at night? What are you worried about? And what are you doing to try to just continue to live and enjoy life? Share those things with us down below. Share them with the community so that others can see that they need to keep living too. And that there are things that they can be doing, that they can enjoy, to try to let go just a little bit of all the worry and concern. So hey, make the commitment now. Get out there today. Get out there this evening, whenever this video posts. Go do something fun with someone you care about. Or go do something fun by yourself. But get out, do something, unplug, unwind, relax, breathe, and enjoy. Right, Toby? Right, Toby? Thanks for watching.